Hey, I'm Brooke Kelly and I'm a clinical nutritionist and cook. Today we are going to be making my roast red cabbage with harissa butter, saffron honey and toasted almonds. I'm going to be using this beautiful red cabbage I got from Carriage Works Markets. So basically what we're going to do is cut our cabbage into cute little wedges, which we're going to roast. I'm going to be making my harissa butter with Pepe Saya and I'm going to be mixing that with some beautiful harissa paste. You only need to toast them till they're light and golden. So we're going to just simply plate our beautiful roasted red cabbage. Generous spoonful of your harissa butter. I'm going to be topping this beautiful cabbage with this saffron honey that I got from the markets, but you can use any regular honey. And then a generous sprinkle of toasted almonds. Oh my gosh, so good. It's so like salty, sweet, spicy. That's a great side dish for a dinner party.